In this video, you'll learn how to use the Toolbox to search for, use, and pin commands quickly in Fusion 360. The Toolbox is a customizable shortcuts menu where you can search for, use, and pin commands that you use frequently in your design workflow. You may find that accessing some commands via the Toolbox is faster than finding them in the toolbar or the marking menu. Press the S key on your keyboard and the Toolbox will display. In the Design workspace, the Extrude and Fillet commands are pinned by default to the Design Shortcuts toolbox. From the toolbox, you can access all the commands that are available in the current workspace or environment. For example, when you switch to the Render workspace, the Scene Settings command is pinned to the Render Shortcuts toolbox. And when you switch to the Manufacture workspace, the Face, 2D Adaptive Clearing, and 2D Contour commands are pinned to the Manufacture Shortcuts toolbox. In each workspace where sketching is available, you can also access the Sketch Shortcuts toolbox while you are in an active sketch. Use the search box to find any available command that you want to use. As you type, the list of commands will filter so that you only see commands that contain the letters you've typed. When multiple search results are displayed, you can press the up arrow and down arrow keys to cycle through and select the command you want to use. Press Enter to start using the highlighted command, or click any command in the list. You may want to add more commands to the toolbox in order to speed up your workflow. There are two ways to do this. Expand any panel in the toolbar, hover over the command, click the More button, then check the box next to Pin to Shortcuts. Alternatively, press the S key to bring up the toolbox, search for the command, then click the Pin to Shortcuts icon. Whichever way you choose to add it, the command now displays in the toolbox where you can access it quickly. Click and drag the commands in the toolbox to arrange them in an order that suits your workflow. And click and drag the lower right corner of the toolbox to resize it as your list of shortcut commands grows. If you want to remove a command from the toolbox, there are two ways to do this as well. In the toolbox, search for the command, then click the Remove from Shortcuts icon. Or expand the panel in the toolbar, hover over the command, click the More button, then uncheck the box next to Pin to Shortcuts. Now you know how to use the toolbox to pin, search for, and access commands quickly in Fusion 360. Thanks for watching!